Hello friends, this is SBG and welcome to my channel Fast Digital Dream. If you follow my previous video, I think you will learn that how to what is Google AdWords is and how to create the Google AdWords account, how to create a campaign, ad group, text ad as well as display ad. Today we will learn actually how to use the keyword planner, which is a very good tool to find out the keyword for your ad. So the keyword is most important thing in AdWords. Actually, through keyword you can decide where and when your ad will display and where your ads will not display. So if you choose the proper keyword, through this you can not only save lots of money, but you can make good sales and you can earn more money. So actually through keyword actually you can control your ad, where it will display and where it will not. And there are lots of match type. I will cover that later, but today we will learn how to use the keyword planner. Okay, so for that what you have to do first, that you have to log in with your user ID and password for AdWords, and after that when you log in you will redirect to this campaign page. What you have to do, just move your cursor to the tools tab and click on it. After that you can see that there is an option called keyword planner. Just click on it, and after some time, depends on your internet speed, it will rotate to this page. So it's a keyword planner page. There are lots of options available in here. It's what option you will choose, it depends on your strategy. I will try to cover all of the options. So the first option is search for new keywords using a page, website or category. So if you want to use this option, what you have to do, just you can see there is an option your product or service. You have to put your product or service names, whatever your product or service is. And like if you are selling mobiles, then it's smartphone, maybe it's smartphone. Maybe if you are selling laptops, whatever product or service is, you can write in here. And a second option is the landing page. If you have a website and if you have proper landing page with proper content, you can put in here. So what Google will do, Google will automatically fetch the keyword from that landing page and display in here, and you can see how the keyword are popular and what are the rates and how the estimate visit traffic, all of the things you can see in here. And another thing is that you can also most interesting, that you can also find out some keyword from your competitor site. So what you have to do, just find out who are your competitor and put their competitor URL and the landing page in this tab. And when you will put that the competitor URL in this tab, the Google will automatically fetch the competitor website popular keyword on that page to in here. So you can identify what keyword are working good. And the second thing is your product category, which type of category your product are. So you can enter your product category name in here. And after that there is a lots of filtering. If you want to display your ad for a particular location or for a particular country, you can click on it, but before that you have to enter some keyword in here. Like right now I am doing a project on company formation, which for a company, a reputed company in UK. So just I am entering that keyword, which is company formations. Okay, so that is my keyword, and I want to know the details for this keyword. Here you can enter the country name, like I want to display my ad on UK, so just I am typing UK. Whatever country you want to target, you can put all of the country name, so the data will be more genuine, or the data will be more accurate actually. So actually the traffic is depend on lots of country, it depends on the country actually. So if you put that country name where you want to display your ad, it will be more good for the keywords, to find out the more appropriate keyword for your ad. And after that you can enter lots of country name here, whatever you want. And after that what you have to do, just click on the save button. And second thing is language. Whatever language you want to target is depend on the computer OS language. It's maybe English, maybe Arabic or Catholic, whatever language you will prefer. So you can choose that language in here. And same thing you have to do, just select, like for random thing I am selecting what, like just for an example I am selecting Turkish, Spanish. Okay. No, I'm not Hindi. Arabic. You can choose whatever you want, language you want to display your ad. So after that just do the same thing, save that button. Second thing is Google and search partner. So if you want that only for the Google data, not the search partner, then you will select the Google, which is by default. And if you want that Google as well as search partner result or data, what you have to do, just select this. But for search, for text ad, I will prefer only Google. So Google. If you want to put in a negative keyword, like my first here my main keyword is company formation, but there are lots of keyword. If you are you don't want to be searched, so for you can enter those keyword in here as a negative keywords. So after that you have to save, but right now I am not entering a negative keyword, so cancel. And after that you can select the date range. I will prefer search for 12 months, which is I think by default. But if you want last 2 years or 3 years, you can select it from here. Okay, and after that you have to save. As I have changed that thing, so I am not saving it, just cancel. And after all of these settings, what I am going to do, just get ideas. After that you can see that average monthly search is 100k to 1M, which is very good. But in here you can see the suggested bid is 791.98 rupees for 1 click. Mind it. So when any visitor will click on that ad, it will charge, the Google will charge near about 800 rupees for 1 click. So the keyword is so much expensive. You need a lot of budget to display this type of keyword or display this type of ad. you can find lots of other keyword like similar keyword like company registration, register a company. As I told you in the beginning, that negative keyword, so this is might be negative keyword for this ad. Offshore company, we are not selling or we are not promoting offshore company, so I can put offshore company as a negative word. So you can see there are lots. You will find here the average monthly search, the competition mean how much competitor are competing for this keyword. So the competition is depend on the bid price actually. If lots of competitors are compete for this keyword, then automatically your suggested bid will be high. So you can see all of this, and you can select your keyword from here. There are two things, one is ad group idea and second one is keyword idea. These all are what you are seeing in here, these all are keyword, but if you click on the ad group tab, you will see these all are the ad group. So if you want to create an ad group of offshore company, just click on it, but I don't want that, but I need a ad group for company incorporation. So what I'm doing, just click it. So you can see that company incorporation is selected in here. If I need company registration online, if I need that, business registration, that. So by this process you can actually select all the ad group if you want the ad group. After that there are three options. Copy to clipboard, you can see you'll find those keyword in here. You can download it or you can save to your account if you want to use later on, so you can save it. But if you want to use right now, what I will prefer that click on it, just copy it and paste on your keyword tab. Like what I'm doing, copy, putting the campaign tab on a second tab, ad group, ads, so again here I want I'm going to add group, and keyword in here. You have to put those keyword in here, but I am not saving it because before entering the keyword you need to change. You have to make a strategy which type of keyword actually you want to use. As I told you previously that I will make a video later, but from the idea I'm saying that there are four options actually. One is broad modifier, broad keyword. First one is broad keyword, second one is broad modifier, third one is fetch, and the fourth one is exact match. So there are four options for the keyword type. But as I told you, today our goal is how to use the keyword planner. So what I'm doing, delete it. So if you want to use the keyword, what you can do, just click it, register company, formation of company. So all those keywords will be added in here, and if you just like the previous step, you can copy the keyword from here if you want to use, and after that so this thing we have covered. And second option is get search volume data and trend. Like if you already have keyword, you can search that keyword volume or the trend is right now, you can check that thing in here, or you can also upload a file in here and search that keyword volume and trend through these options. Okay, and third one is multiple keyword list to get new keywords. Actually this thing is important for those marketer who have lots of branches in different, maybe in different country or different location actually. So to make it clear, here is a good article from Google. This one. So you can see that here they put the location name, the Mexico, Cabo, Cancun, and these are the type of service they have provided, like luxury restaurant, hotels, beach resort. So if you have lots of branches, you can put that branches location in here and the services are in here. So what Google will do, Google will combine all those keywords, like they combine Cabo hotels or Mexico luxury restaurant. So you can save lots of time through this, and you will get lots of keyword idea, and will get all the like the search volume, the completion rate, the bidding, how much you have to Google will charge for one click. Those all are thing you will get from here. And the same thing you can do, you can choose the location, goal, negative keyword, whatever you want. So, and the last option is you can enter the keyword according to their match type. As I told you before that there are 4 match type, but in Google there are 3, like broad match, phase match, and exact match. So through this you can search the data depend on the keyword type. Like my company, here I'm putting some example, like company formations. Okay, so this is the broad type. When I'm putting a semicolon in here, this is the phrase type. This is the actually the syntax. And if I put the third bracket in here, this is the exact match. So through this, if you use this type of syntax, you can differentiate different type of keyword type in here and put those to get the ideas. So through this you can get a good amount of data and good actually high quality of result, as well as you know that Google is a good king of today's online marketing. So you'll get good some genuine data from here. And if you want to know more, there are some good articles provided by Google. You can click in here, opening a different tab. You get that all the information what I have shared with you in here in details. So through this you will get some good keyword, and you can start your ad or you run your ad easily. So thank you. I hope you have liked my video. So, and if you like, please comment. If you want to know more about it, or if you have any query, please comment. And if you like, please like my video and subscribe to stay update. Whatever I will share, you will get a notification. So I think it will be better for you also to. So thank you.